work for our tea party?
Great idea.
Beautiful, Cherry. Just beautiful. Perfect music for an elegant tea party.
Thanks. But the important thing is the pups seem to like it. After all, this tea party is to celebrate the opening of their dog park.
Aww! Okay, the music is covered. What else do we need to get ready? What about snacks and treats? Strawberry? I thought we'd have finger sandwiches.
Ooh!
Fruit.
Ah!
And pup-shaped pastries.
Oh!
No, Pupcake, that's for us. You'll get doggy treats at the tea party. And girls, for dessert.
Oh, wow! Delish!
Next is Lemon, in charge of the decoration committee.
Well, Blueberry and I thought an ice sculpture would be nice.
Oh!
Wow! Wow! Thank you. And we thought streamers would make the dog park look nice. Yeah!
Oh, very nice.
Great! And for the evening, the Bearkins made us these lanterns. Oh, Strawberry, could you get the lights, please?
This is going to be a very beautiful tea party. There's only one thing missing. The designs for our dresses.
Yeah, where's Raspberry? She said she'd have them ready. Sorry I'm late. Sorry I'm late. Whoa! Whoa! Let's not have the Hold still, Raspberry.
Here, got it.
Okay. Easy now. Sorry. Silly me. I didn't see where I was going. Well, since this is a formal tea party, I kind of, thought we'd all wear something like this.
Oh,
Raspberry.
Raspberry, that's beautiful.
You think so?
Yeah. Raspberry?
Well, thanks. I'm still working on our hats, but they'll be ready in time for the tea party. And oh, almost forgot. I designed fashion collars for all the puppies. Brought one of them to show you. Got it here someplace. Oh, chiffon? The girls are going to be so surprised when they see these tea party hats. An orange for Orange's hat. What is it, girl? I don't have time to play outside right now. I have to finish these hats. When things pull us apart, let's pull close with all our heart. Reach out and join our hands to form a circle of good friends. Come on, girls, let's gather round and flip our frowns upside down. Show our sparkle, shine our lights, let's all sing it loud. Friends are sweet, friends are good. Friends make everything brighter, and we know that we should just reach out. Let love shine. Be a friend and you'll see it all turn out just fine. It's all good.
Okay, you guys, just stay here for a minute. We have to get your treats ready, and then you can come in.
To your very own dog park. Be right back. Wow. Ooh, I like this.
Oh, gee, amazing.
Wow. Nice work, Raspberry.
Thank you. The Berry Bitty City Dog Park is officially open.
What's wrong?
Pupcake?
Chiffon? Scouty?
Pitter Patch?
Come on, Cinnapup. Come in. See your doggy park? Lots of treats. Come on. What's wrong? Why don't they like the dog park?
It's almost as if they were afraid of something.
Oh, what's in here to be afraid of? I don't think they're afraid. I think they're hungry. I can tell when Cinnapup has that give me treats look in her eye.
I don't know. I wouldn't call it a give me treats look. More like a I don't want to go in there look.
Trust me, I know exactly how to get them to come in. And get it.
Come on!
Whoa!
What in the Berry Bitty world has gotten into them?
I think there's something there they don't like. Something that's, well, scaring them.
I think Strawberry's right. And I know what's scaring them. This! My ice sculpture? How can that be scaring them? Look closer. Huh? I rest my case. Oh, that's ridiculous. There's nothing scary about my ice sculpture.
It's melting, and if we don't figure out what's bothering the dogs, by the time our tea party gets started, your ice sculpture's gonna be sloshing around in a bucket.
Okay, now, let's not jump to conclusions.
No need to jump. The answer is staring us right in the face. Or should I say, in the nose.
Nose? Lemon, what are you talking about?
Close your eyes and take a sniff. What do you smell?
Freshly mowed lawn.
Flowers.
Exactly. Boring! A dog lives by his nose. And to a dog's nose, this park is just one big yawn. Fortunately, I have the perfect solution. I'll be right back. Ta-da! What is that? My Very Big Super Sensational Scent Dispenser. I've been working on it for weeks. Was gonna have its grand debut in my salon, but now's as good a time as any. It sniffs the air and automatically calculates the right amount of scent that should be sprayed to make everything smell perfectly sensational. There, see? It says this place needs a whiff of raspberry and just a smidgen of cherry. Too much raspberry, I think. Hey, still working out the bugs, you know. Oh, what's wrong? Need some help? Oh, thanks, Orange.
Here, let me help.
Uh-oh. Lemon, what's wrong with it? I don't know.
Lemon! Can you shut it off?
I don't Well, at least everything smells nice. I'm sure the puppies will like it.
So much for the boring scent theory.
Well, I thought it would work. I mean, if you were a dog,
If I were a dog, right about now, I'd be asking, what am I doing in a people park?
People park?
Yep. Look at this park through a dog's eyes. What does he see? People. Having a people party with people food. If we want the dogs to come into the park, we have to convince them that it's a dog park.
How?
I'm glad you asked. That's it. That's it. Here's the ball. Here's the ball, and fetch it. Not in your hand. That's a people thing. Dogs catch toys in their mouths.
My mouth? Ew! I don't know where this thing's been.
They're watching.
Okay, well, give it a try.
That's it. Fetch the ball. There you go. Yeah, go get it, girl. Go get it.
I feel so silly.
Me too. But it might be working.
That's it. Come on in. Come and play. Come get him.
It's working.
Come on in. Come and play. So much for your doggy toy squeaky ball theory thing.
Well, do you have any ideas?
Well, yeah, of course. So, let's hear it. Hear it? Well, naturally, it's not something you hear. It's something you see. I mean, just, look.
Look at what?
All the green. Green, 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 green. And oh, did I mention green? To a dog, that is artistically, stylistically, designerly unacceptable.
Okay, hold on a moment. I've never heard anything about dogs not liking too much green.
Just look at my poor chiffon. See? Artistically deprived.
She doesn't look deprived to me. She looks scared of something.
I know my chiffon, and I can prove it. Okay, Becky, does everyone understand what we need to do?
Well, Raspberry, I think so.
Just paint everything with the food color I've selected. Shouldn't take more than a few moments. This is going to be artistically phenomenal, fantastical. Oh, Chiffon's gonna love it. Yes, she is. Yes, she is.
All right, crew, let's get to work. Overdone. Done. The painting, that is.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. cover of every fashion magazine in Berry Big City. This will rock the design world on its heels. We're here. The puppies are here. Let the tea party begin. But I thought they liked it.
Liked it? They're scared of it. Only one way to bring them back. Get rid of it.
The dog park is ruined.
You mean saved?
Hold on, hold on. All of your ideas have been very good ones.
Doesn't mean they're right.
True, but let's respect each other's opinions. I think it's been kind of fun hearing everyone's theories and trying them out. Eventually, we'll get to the bottom of this mystery.
This is truly a mystery I cannot solve. Wish I had some kind of clue.
Me too. Well, anyone have any more opinions about what could be scaring the pup? Come on!
After those hats! Where are they? I'm sure this is where they landed.
It is where they landed.
Look! The puppies took our hats? The trail heads off that way.
Is that what I think it is?
This is very strange.
The puppies tried to hide our hats?
That's certainly what it looks like.
But why?
Don't look at me. I'm fresh out of theories.
Me too.
They took off that way. Come on, girls. So here you are. What's the very big idea? Why did you take our hats?
They're afraid of our hats? No, that's impossible. No, it can't be.
Look. To the puppies, the hats look like scary faces.
Incredible.
That's the last thing I would have guessed was keeping the puppies from coming in. Looks like we all jumped to conclusions. You're right. I should have paid more attention to what Chiffon was trying to tell me. What is it, girl? I don't have time to play outside right now. I have to finish these hats. She didn't want to go outside. She was afraid. But I was so busy I wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry, everybody.
I'm sorry.
Same here.
Hey, me too.
So am I.
What about the pups?
I think I know what to do. Chiffon, look. See? No more scary face. Is it okay? Huh? Okay now?
I think this dog park is now officially open.
La 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 la. La 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 la. sparkleberries. I can't concentrate. They said they would be finished yesterday. I mean, how much banging and shoveling and trenching can a person take?
The berry kids are working on the juiceberry pipes under my cafe. I've been trying to make Berry Bitty banana chips, and I couldn't concentrate with all the noise. Now, what were you saying?
Pretty much what you said. I have to finish writing the song for the Wailing Willows band, but how can I concentrate with all this noise? Didn't the Berrykins say they'd be finished yesterday?
Well, they were being hopeful, I guess. And you know how these things go. It's hard to predict how...
Let's get out of here!
Hiya, Strawberry. Hiya, Miss Cherry.
Top of the morning to you. And good morning to you.
Hi, guys. How are all the repairs going under the cafe?
Well, you see, Miss Strawberry, we were trying to tackle this sparkleberry power outage problem that's affecting the entire town, and we kind of crossed some cables under your cafe.
I gotta, uncross them.
How long will that take?
Well, we are estimating,
Guesstimating.
guaranteeing,
Hoping.
planning,
Speculating. Skeptically speaking.
calculating.
Crossing our fingers.
Do you mind? No doubt we will have this all fixed up by end of day.
I see. So, probably best if the girls and I clear out of town for the day?
Say, that way we wouldn't get in each other's way.
Okay. We'll see you at the end of the day then, Earl and Ed.
I am losing a whole day of work. I can't finish this song out in the countryside. I am very stressed.
Cherry, we're all gonna lose a day of work, but I don't see any way around it. Let's make the best of the situation.
A banana chip picnic? They look so good, like gold treasure. No snuffling the treasure, Cinnapup.
I know. Let's do something different.
Oh, no! I had the whole day set aside to organize the home improvement section. What's that? Ooh, that could be really fun. I'll get some paper. But, Strawberry, could you, come by and help me with a, predicament?
Blueberry has a predicament she needs help with.
What's a predicament?
A pickle?
A pickle?
A jam.
Like a music jam session?
No, more like a difficulty, a problem.
Ooh, that really is a predicament.
Don't worry, Blueberry. We'll have you out of there in a minute. Lemon! What happened?
The sparkleberry power keeps coming and going in my salon. My hairdryer went crazy again. How am I gonna get my hair untangled? It's definitely a predicament.
Okay, so each team has a pen and paper for writing clues? And you all have your secret treasures? So how this treasure hunt works is, each team will write 3 clues. The first clue will lead to the location of the second, and so on. At each location, you will find a secret treasure. Whichever team finds the secret treasures first will win the jackpot, which is back in town, waiting. Just so we don't get in each other's way, why doesn't my team go this way? And Blueberry, your team could go that way.
Good idea, Strawberry.
Okay. We will have 1 hour to hide clues and treasure, and we'll gather back here afterwards. And then we can begin the treasure hunt.
Yay!
That should do it. All righty, Earl, let's get everything cleaned up. Oops. I think I left my Skittle Jinx by the cable Q joint.
What was that? Huh? Come here, you gotta see this. Everything's going crazy. I don't believe it. Come here, you gotta see this.
Yeah, okay. Stop shoving, would you? What are you talking about? Were you eating toast?
No, it attacked me.
Oh, you were attacked by a piece of toast.
Well, Ed, I'm only telling you what happened. I don't know how she can stand it.
Who can stand what?
Strawberry can stand working in a cafe that's, haunted.
Haunted? There's no such thing, Earl. Eesh, you and your fancy imagination.
Well, Ed, I'm only telling you what...
Yeah. We got work to do. Come on. You made me leave my Skittle jinx behind again.
Well, Ed, I didn't mean to... Wait for me!
You stay up there.
Okay, let the treasure hunt begin! Yay! The first clue is, I'm open in the morning, closed at night. I am blue all the time. Isn't it glorious?
Blue. Oh, I know. Could it be Blueberry's bookstore?
Her store is open in the morning and closed at night. What do you think, Cherry Jam?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so distracted about that song I'm supposed to be working on.
Come on, Cherry. Get in the spirit. We need your help to win the treasure hunt.
You're right, Orange. Okay, let's see. Blueberry's bookstore? Well, it's not closed all the time at night. It's open sometimes at night for book club and Berrykin's story time. And Berry Bitty City is off limits for the treasure hunt, so I don't think they would have hidden the next treasure there. Blue all the time. Isn't it glorious?
Why would it be glorious to be blue all the time? You know, blue isn't sad.
'Cause you're Blueberry? I don't know. If it's not Blueberry, who is blue all the time?
I know. Glorious. Glory. A morning glory flower. And I know where they grow.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Beg your pardon.
Morning glories.
You're right, Orange. They are open in the sunlight and they close at night.